You are going to love the 2019 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.